All right, so what do we got?
What's this?
Ooh. We have a couple of things for you to try. They're dishes from all over the country. Tell me what you see, give it a taste, and then tell me where you think it might be from.
We love wings.
He's professional, like, chicken wing guy.
The recipe is from 1930 something. They're known for this.
Louisiana? Alabama?
Somewhere in the States.
In the States.
I know you're gonna want to finish that.
Thank you.
Atlanta?
Nashville hot chicken.
Nashville.
Knew it.
Where do your traditions originate from?
My family, they're from the Netherlands, so for Christmas we do wooden shoes, and we get to like stuff wooden shoes with candy and little toys. It's really fun.
Is a drink. It's called a dirty soda.
This is really pretty.
Don't let it scare you. Give it a taste.
No, it doesn't scare me. You can't boo me.
I think this is gonna come from Florida, maybe Key West, because the lime and the coconut. It's not bad, right?
Refreshing.
Oh my goodness, yeah. It's really coconutty. It actually comes from Utah.
Utah?
What do we see?
I see, so it's a taco.
We have plenty of napkins on standby. Got a little kick to it.
And I mean, I would guess that it's like from Mexico.
From some South American country.
Oh, so maybe like Hawaii. Because I mean, I think that's pineapple. So yeah, I would say like maybe a Hawaiian taco.
California.
Pineapple. I don't know, California.
The pineapple you're tasting is actually mango.
I'm not allowed in the kitchen. Like yeah, it's me.
Oh, okay.
And then they serve it over spaghetti or hot dogs a lot of times. Taste it and let me know if you know where this is from.
Oh, it does.
Got it?
All right, what is this?
Some sort of pasta, it looks like. It's good, that's what it is.
Like with spaghetti with chili.
She nailed it. So this is called three-way chili.
Okay.
Any idea where this might be from in the States?
California?
Where's something where chili is kind of a big deal?
Texas?
I don't know. I'm going to say randomly. I'm just going to say Ohio.
Oh, you got it. What? Cincinnati. Look at you go.
Papa. Yeah.
I was about to say that.
Okay.
You ready?
Okay.
Okay. All right. My name is Derek.
Play it live.
My name is Kedalia. Yingling.
Darren.
Healy.
Donovan.
Lakeisha. Rachel.
My name's Teeny,
My name's Antoine.
and these are our compressions.